Thank you so much.
Good morning and welcome to the program. Welcome to the program.
Good afternoon, sir. Ma'am, good afternoon.
Good afternoon,
Asiba! Lakad! Tayo!
Sabihin niyo mo yung pangalan niyo sino po kayo dito?
I am Dr. Norvina Jennifer M. Castro, the chairman of the Elemental Regional School.
Ready na po kayo?
Oo.
Hindi na po oily ang face.
I powdered my nose.
Ako si RD, ang governor.
Proud ka ba?
Proud, syempre.
Love na love mo na ba yung position mo?
Oo.
Gusto mo na ba siyang bitawan?
Ayoko. Ay, gusto ko in a sense na, syempre gusto kong bigyan ng chance yun. Tapos ayoko kasi, syempre, sobrang nakaka-miss.
Ako si Lando, Vice Governor ng Labs.
Ready ka na ba?
Ayos lang.
Prepared ka ba sa mga tanong namin? Sa love life mo, ganyan?
Sa mga tanong niyo, okay na.
Sa love life mo? Wala. Wala pala. Wala ka palang love life.
Prepared na ako.
Move on. Move on.
I am Anissa Marie Descatico. Ay, from Landor.
Ready ka na ba? Prepared ka ba?
Hindi.
Bakit? Hindi naman siya nakakatakot ba? Baka nakakatakot.
Nakakaba.
Okay, I am Ryan Inside, and I'm a lecturer, a full-time lecturer with Conference Studies.
I'm Emmanuel Capati, the club mayor of the Mathematics Science Club for the school year 2014-2015.
I am Miss Marja Asnar, one of the lecturers here at the Laboratory High School.
I'm Alvin Seitan, advisor of MS4 and MAPJA.
Mag-raise ang photo. So, start na po tayo. Describe LS in one word.
One word lang? Oo, yun talaga.
Describe LS.
Of course, happy. Yeah.
LS, awesome.
Amazing.
Amazing. It's really
Hindi ko alam, one word lang kasi.
Kahit anong one word yan.
Anong word yung masaya pero naman? Hindi ko alam.
I believe that LS can be described in one word with the use of the word excellent.
okay.
Brave. Brave kasi yung students, brave sila sa lahat ng aspects. Academics man, extracurricular, at saka ipaglalaban nila lahat hanggang makuha nila kung ano yung gusto nila.
LS is a super school. It is super school because it has super students with super talent. All excellent, but having super excellent in terms of achievement in academics. It's a holistic development. It's a leadership. Sports pa rin, even the music na very good. Kaya nga super. Kung may Superman, sila yung mga super student.
Ano yun? Karate. Go!
But what do you love or like about LS?
What I like about LS is that there is this innate quality of competitiveness in its students. They are very competitive in a sense that they will not settle for less.
What I love about LS is it's really a training ground for teachers, and another thing is all of the students here are intelligent.
Yung diversity ng students. Yes? Kasi syempre magkakaiba tayo makakahanap tayo ng unique na yung hindi pa natin nakikita.
Lahat. Yung mga tao sa lab school, yung mga yung environment, yung paligid. Tapos yung yung mga teachers din, yung mga estudyante.
The students and the co-teachers. Yeah.
Yung environment and yung mga tao na bumubuo sa LS.
What do I love about LS? I love LS because I have found another family.
What is your most unforgettable experience?
Oh, until now I still remember that unforgettable experience. The first time I was assigned here, I met this very proud, very active student leader who would want to overrule me because of his superb leadership. Nung sinabi niya gano'n, "Ma'am, dapat doon tayo dapat ang magano. Kung hindi tayo doon mag-program, huwag na lang tayo mag-program." So medyo na-shock ako noon dahil I was expecting dapat nagpasakop siya sa authority.
When the GS one came, because it was really unexpected for me to undergo such things like going there, going here.
Yung katulad ng prom yun, yung mag-prepare sa prom.
I think when I was awarded this year as the best teacher, most optimistic, most helpful, and the teacher of the year.
Yung first day ng first year, kasi doon ko nalaman na dito ako madedevelop. Dito ako magiging ako kung ano ako ngayon.
Madami. Una, syempre yung first day, yung first year. Syempre, wala pang alam nun. Tapos, yung first time kong tumakbo para sa council. Yun, sobrang unforgettable nun. Lalo na, buo pa nun yung LS. First to fourth year, kailangan mong mag-campaign. Sobrang nakakatakot. Tapos, syempre yung experience, yun, sobrang hindi ko makakalimutan yan. Tsaka, syempre yung mga classmates ko and yung, eto ngayon, yung council.
The LS programs. They are what? I don't know. Hindi, my birthday siguro. My birthday last year. It was simple but memorable because I've seen how my students, particularly the MS4, showed their love and concern for me.
I will never forget the moment that I together with my officers, knew that our club has been officially affiliated with the Philippine Society of Youth Science Club.
Dapat po dalawa, naiiwan na po ako.
What have you learned this year besides the academic lessons you encountered?
I've learned to get along with other people which do not belong to the same box that I experienced.
Natutunan ko na maging firm sa mga pananaw ko and sa mga decisions ko. And natutunan ko na ipaglaban yung side ng estudyante.
Yung paano maging strong sa isip, sa katawan, hindi sa katawan. Yung mga challenges na hinarap ko dito sa lab school, nagawa kong sabayan. Parang tapos mas nalamangan ko pa yung mga problema.
Sir, as a teacher, what has LS taught you?
Patience and virtues. Yeah.
This institution taught me how to really love my profession.
Well, LS taught me to be a multitasker because it's not just about teaching, but it's also about organizing these events, and of course, the connection between me and my students should also be there.
Ang naturo sa akin ng lab school ay how to deal with them accordingly because there are so many students of different personalities. And then the good thing about being the leader of the lab school is I learned how to talk with parents of different personalities also. Natuto kong kumarap sa tao. Kaya ang feel ko nun kumarap sa tao. So, ibig sabihin, may isang achievement sa akin na-overcome ko yung fear facing people. So, that's one thing. Na-overcome ko na.
Do you think if you had studied in another school, would you be who or what you are right now?
Hindi. Kasi sobrang one of a kind yung binibigay na values ng parents.
I believe I would be a different person because LS is very, very special in the sense that teachers are well trained and our fellow students, they are very intelligent.
Hindi. Kasi iba yung binibigay ng lab school. Iba yung binibigay niyang para ma-develop ka talaga.
Hindi. Kasi syempre pag sa ibang school, iba din yung characters ng mga nasa ibang school sa characters dito. Kaya iba din yun.
Ano naman ang pinakaayaw mo sa love school?
Yung mga
Okay, class, may surprise quiz tayo ngayon sa calculus. Okay, let's start. Number 1. What is the derivative of 4x cubed? Number 2, what is the antiderivative of square root of x over 5x squared y?
Mataas ako
Exchange
dito.
papers.
Mataas ako dito.
Pasa na.
Hirap kaya. Nahirap kaya. Bagsak ako dito. 5 po mo. Pasado. Ha! Mas mataas ako sa'yo ng 2. 7. 9.
10 score ko! 10 score ko!
10 score mo! Langya ka! Nangungopya ka na nga lang sa amin tapos perfect ka pa! Iwan ko lang po kayo. Mamilan po ako sa test.
Ma'am, kailangan niyo po ng tulong?
Ay, sure na.
Ma'am, ano niyo po yung issue ni Sir Paul Di Magalang? Okay na po kaya siya? Ma'am, computation po ba yan?
Oo, anak.
Ma'am, gusto niyo ng tulong? Last ko po, ma'am.
Yes! Yeah! Rex!
kadiri, ya. Ay, bad trip. Ano to? Ayos ba?
Classical, Hellenistic, Greco-Roman, Byzantine period. Basta si Venus yung nagbigay sa kanya ng buti. Si Mercury. Uy, kasi na, may quiz. Uy. Wala, di ba ako nakapag-review pa yun?
Okay, class number 1.
Wala guys, 4 lang ako. 3 lang ako eh. Kamusta naman ako to? Ano ba yan? Hala, kababa ako. Ilan ka ba? 9 lang. Ha? Ano ba yan? Ayan! Grabe naman, no? Kamusta pa to? Ano? Kababa ko kaya.
Guys, alam niyo yung number 4? Uy guys, alam niyo yung number 4? Kahirap.
Hindi man.
Di man ata tinuro eh.
Uy guys, nandiyan na si Doray!
Uy, Do! Eh, paano to? Isa number 2. Hindi ah!
Ano ba?
Hindi, ano?
Hindi ko siya nabili. Nakaka-acting bells.
Hindi daw, okay. Mura na guys! Uy, sarap pa siya! Uy, Do! Wait, pagkakawa, please!
O, ito na yung sagot. Sige, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Salamat.
Thank you, Do.
Nakakaganda yan.
Do, iwan mo mo! Ayoko na!
May nahulog. Nakikita ko sa sarili ko sa lapis. Ay, naku ate, sorry! Ay po, hindi mo ba alam sawang-sawa na akong masaktan? Mag-ingat ka naman! Uy, Boraya! Lahat na lang inagaw mo sa akin, Martag. Lahat na inagaw mo sa akin, akin naman! Hindi, River! Lahat na lang binibigay ko. Kulang pa ba? Oo. Diba? Sige. Sige pa. Ayan.
Pre, bento oh. Pre, biling Sprite. Pre, i-glance ka na? Di ba? Libre. Pre, samahan mo naman ako. Bili tayo dun. Ayoko kalayo. Tara, libre kita. Tara. Pre, mahal naman ng grad fee natin. 2,000. Oo nga eh. Palibre.
Thoughts on lab school facing down?
Nasasad lang ako. Kasi kung kailan nag-excel yung mga Elesian, dun parang dun pa nila isasara, dun pa nila ititigil. Parang papunta na sa taas yung lab school eh. Tapos hihilain nila pa ba?
Thoughts? Sobrang daming thoughts na lumilipad sa utak ko. Lalo na sobrang daming masasayang kapag nawala na. Yung inisip ko bakit kailangan nilang gawin yon, bakit kailangan nilang mag-come up sa decision na gano'n. Eh maganda naman yung pinapakita ng mga estudyante and ng mga teachers. Maganda naman yung kinalalabasan ng yung academics nila, and maganda naman yung standing ng LS.
I
feel so sad about it, knowing na the school has given pride to the university. Lab School has given pride to the university. The graduates are doing well. Even if you look into the history of Lab School, many graduates are alumni are very successful. Whether it be MS or BEC graduate, very successful sila. And the good thing about Lab School is, even BEC pa siya who never earned honors every recognition day, would always shine in the respective schools they are enrolled in. And I hear feedbacks. I hear feedbacks from schools, even from our school, our TSU, from different colleges. They would be saying, if it's Lab School graduate, for sure, he is good or she is good. So, that fact alone forces the student to do good. Dapat panindigan nila kasi they're known to be good students. In terms of academics, marunong sila. So, pinaninindigan ng mga estudyante ngayon. So, when they get out, they would want to prove to the world na they're really good. And it's a very good motivation. Makita ko, maganda yung motivation na yun.
Will we Lab School?
Yes, definitely.
Of course! Yes! Yes!
Yes, definitely. Absolutely. I will really miss this school.
Definitely, I will. Because this, as what I've said a while back, it's amazing.
Of course, because this has been my home and my training ground for 4 years, and it will never be the same without it.
Syempre naman, kasi dito ako nag-start. Dito ako, parang, syempre nung LM, wala lang ganun. Ngayon, dito natin nakilala kung sino talaga tayo. And kung saan tayo talaga dapat. Dito rin natin nalaman kung dito yung start ng pag-achieve natin sa mga dreams natin, 'di ba? And syempre, lalo ko pa siyang mamimiss kasi kapag lumipas na yung taon, alam niyo, wala nang babalikan. Syempre, parang ruins na lang yung matitira. And napakasakit nun sa feeling na merong blank sa buhay mo na kahit kailan hindi mo na mababalikan. Pero syempre, sa isip and sa hearts natin mga estudyante, nandun palagi yung MS. And forever mamimiss natin.
Ano nga po man totoong dahilan kung bakit i-face daw?
Una, hindi mandate ng university ang magparang ng secondary school. Certainly, we have to leave the decision to our higher ups. I have to tell now the parents na i-face out siya.
Pero ano
Kung ako lang ang may pera, ako na lang ang magpapa-run ng school. I will have my own school, pero I'm not that super rich.
So last question ako, will you miss Lab School?
Definitely, I will miss Lab School. Sabi ko nga, no? Yan, naiyak na ako.
Okay lang yun.
Naging partner ng buhay ng Lab School. I will definitely miss Lab School. Kasi this is the place where I had the growth. Yung how to manage a school, hindi yung university only school, only Lab School. How to manage a unit. I have to correct myself there. How to manage a unit. With set of teachers having different characteristics, set of students with different personalities. And yet I could say I survived and I was able to overcome So many problems. For me, that is a growth na I would treasure. It would be in my heart forever. Kaya lang, I do not want to show people na we feel sad about it, kaya lang we should not magnify. Siguro, it happens to all. Pagka close na sa puso mo ang isang bagay, parang masakit mo, aalis na. In fact, I still remember, sabi ko, I requested the Vice President before, ma'am, manatili lang yung lab school. Kahit na hindi na ako kahit alisin nyo na lang ako sa pwesto mo, manatili lang siya. But truly, I will miss lab school. Sino ba naman di makakamiss? When you say lab school, kasama na yan ang mga estudyante, naging estudyante mo. At kakaiba talaga mga estudyante dito, actually. Kasi, as I told you, they're already family. I found another family sa lab school. Pag sinabi mong family, ano ko sabi? Ibig sabihin ng family, they're with you in laughters, in tears. Even in times na galit ka, they're also with you. No? I have grown already with lab school. May grow. No? Kumbaga sa development ng leadership, dito ako nahasa. Dito ko rin nakita na-develop ang aking skills. If not because of the opportunity given to me, and I thank the former president, President Villa, for believing in me na I could manage the school. And in the same manner also, ang ating bagong presidente still gave me the chance to be the chair of lab school. It's just the same, practically the same work. It's only the title that changed. Anyway, what's there in the title? No. Yun, I'm thankful and I will miss it.